Hello, my virtual home is DJ Two Times here, giving y'all another product review, man. I want to show y'all something, man. All right. Ta-da! Say hello to the RECK Dance 12 DJ speakers, powered speakers at that. They're size 12, all right? And they came with the stands, as you can see. They got stands on them. Now, I'm going to tell y'all why I like these speakers so much and why I highly recommend them, okay? As a DJ, all right, and I know most DJs have this out there going for themselves, okay? All that wire and plugs and everything, it just, it begins to become a lot. With these speakers, you can wire them, but they're also Bluetooth speakers. So you can cut your Bluetooth on your laptop and on your speakers and connect them, and that saves less wiring, you guys, okay? So it saves less wiring. They have a light feature on it, so they actually glow. They can actually light up. Everything is settings in the front. So, all right, so I want to show y'all guys this. All right. Right here, you have your mic volume, and then you have your sound volume right here. Now, the graphic equalizer, this is also to level out everything, all right? The graphic equalizer right here. This is your treble, your bass, your highs, and your lows. All right, you can equalize it out. And right here is your different modes. You can have your regular mode if you want to use the wires right here. See? But then you can also hit this right mode right here and do Bluetooth. See, they're Bluetooth. All right. Now, you're also going to need a power cord, and you're going to need what we call the XLR cord. All right. Right there. You're going to need those two cords. You're going to have the power cord to cut the speaker on because it is powered speakers. And you're going to need the XLR cord because it's going to be able to allow sound to come out of not just one, but both speakers. Okay. See, there go the other one right there. And I got them on the stands right now. And I really, truly love these guys. They sound so great and so amazing. Okay. And another feature that I like is they have handles on the side and on the top. So you can carry them from the top or from the side. So they're not heavy. They're pretty light. Okay. They're not heavy. They're pretty light. You know, they're going handle right there, and they're going handle right here on top. Okay. So you can order these from Amazon for a good, reasonable price. Okay. It comes with a microphone. It automatically comes with a microphone. It comes with two speakers, two stands. All right. And I like that it came with a microphone. I mean, I truly love it. So this the microphone that it comes with. Oh, that thing hot. I love that it came with a microphone. So it's the microphone it came with, and you can plug in your microphone right here at mic 1. All right. So I love that it came with a microphone, so I don't have to go and look for a microphone. It automatically came with one. Like I said, the sound is amazing, you guys. It's super crisp. Like, the bass is perfect. Everything is just sounds so clear. All right, it's better than having some passive speakers. Now, there's nothing wrong with passive speakers. But if you want quality and good sound, I highly recommend the RECK Dance 12 speakers. All right, size 12. I mean, they're loud. They're gonna get the job done. And what I like about it is that, like I said, they're Bluetooth. So if you're doing a gig for all my DJs, you don't want to just have your speakers right there in front of you. You want to have like one at the entry and one by you just to have that sound traveling out. You can do that, especially with it being Bluetooth. Okay? With it being Bluetooth, you can position these speakers anywhere to get that sound out. But like I said, they sound amazing, you guys. And the stands, the stands it came with. It has a lock on it, so when you let it up, have a lock on it. And I mean, it's just easy. Very light. Very easy to travel with. Very easy. It's not going to take up too much space. And it lessens up your DJ gear. Like literally, okay? All I have is a board, my laptop, my speakers, my microphone, and my stands. My XLR cord and my power cord. That's all I need. I'm good to go. Now, you do not have to have internet to access this Bluetooth feature, okay? Now, here on the back of it, if you can see, you have your power button. That's where your power cord go. And this is where your XLR cord go right there. All right. So, like I said, I highly recommend this for all my upcoming DJs just to get you started. These are really nice size. Gives out a very nice, great sound, okay? And I'm going to show you how they sound later on. I just want to give you a quick tutorial video. So what you want to do is when you access the Bluetooth feature, you're going to cut it on. You're going to cut your speaker on, right? And then you're going to hit mode and make sure it's on Bluetooth. And then when you go to your laptop, you're going to go right down there on your home screen at the bottom where it says search. You're going to type in Bluetooth and make sure that your laptop and your speakers are connected together through Bluetooth. And the actual brand is going to pop up on YouTube, on the Bluetooth. It's going to pop up RECK. It's going to pop up RECK right here. It's going to pop up the RECK. All right. Once you see that and it says connected, you are good to go. You can start jamming out and rocking out, you guys. Okay. What else? I want to make sure I don't forget anything. Now, I'm going to put the link in the description to how you can get the speakers, okay? Definitely going to post the link. So if you are an upcoming DJ and you want to find some nice speakers to use, I'm going to post the link so you can go ahead and get your order today, all right? Because, guys, these are some good speakers. They look professional, all right? For all my professional DJs, they look professional. Like I said, they're going to get the job done. People are going to be like, oh, yeah, you're ready. And be like, man, your speakers sound amazing. Everything was good. Everything was great. And they're going to want to book you again, or somebody else is going to want to book you because you just got a nice, easy, professional setup going on. All right. So I wanted to make sure that you guys know how they work. Now, you do have a memory card right here. You have a USB, but really you're not going to need all of these features only because when you connect the Bluetooth, all right, I'm going to show you this other features right here. The memory card, the USB, all right, if you want to save anything. But when you're using the Bluetooth, you're really not going to need to use no sound card or USB because it's just going to automatically pop. It's going to automatically work. And you're going to be able to control, equal out your levels right here. You're going to be able to equal out your sound. If you want that bass to jump, you can do all that. If you want everything to equal out and be the same, then you can control it right here. It goes up and down. All right. And it's very easy to use, guys. It's not complicated at all. It's very simple to use. So I wanted to just make sure that you guys, get these, especially for all my DJs or anybody that likes to throw their own party. All right. And they just need, if you want to do some karaoke, these are good for karaoke as well. All right. But I highly recommend these power speakers, okay? The RECK Dance 12, size 12 speaker, powered speakers, okay? You're going to have a power cord in order for the speakers to come on, and you have to get what we call a XLR cord. Now, you can get that from Amazon as well. Definitely will post a link for that as well, okay? So we're going to post a link for that. Make sure you get your XLR cord. The power cord is definitely going to come with it. And to be honest with you, the XLR cable cord is going to come with it too. So that's what I like about it. And guess what, you guys? You can get all of this for a nice package bundle deal through Amazon, okay? So I definitely will post a link where you could go and get your power size 12 RECK speakers. And I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out on this, guys. I'm telling you, okay? You're going to love it. You're going to love the sound. You're going to love the quality. And you're going to love the setup, all right? It's going to make you look very professional as a DJ. So I hope that helped out a lot, you guys. With that being said, make sure you click on the link and go and get yours.